there, this is Victoria from CrushCrypto.com. In this video, I will be covering Enjin Coin, a new cryptocurrency for a gaming content management platform known as Enjin. A quick disclaimer before I start, we aren't paid or mandated to do any of our reviews. This is just our personal opinion and analysis and not investment advice. Enjin is an established all-in-one website content management system for the gaming community, and they have been around since 2009. It is most commonly used for building clan, community, or guild websites for popular games like Minecraft and World of Warcraft. This graphic shows some of the key features that they offer, including an easy website builder, forums, mobile apps, and so on. The platform also has over 70 modules that users can use to create a customized website specifically for their communities by adding things like their own wiki page, a support ticket system, a forum board, and so on. Enjin generates revenues through packages that start from $0 up to $30 a month. Here are some stats on Enjin. According to the white paper, as of June, they have 250,000 gaming communities across thousands of games. They also have almost 19 million registered gamers and 3.5 million active users. As of August, they have 12 million global visits and 52 million global views on a monthly basis for Enjin Network. They are still quite popular, but it appears traffic has been declining since it peaked in mid-2014. Here's a screenshot of one of the most popular communities created using Enjin. Mineplex has over 1.1 million registered users. They have various modules on their site, including TeamSpeak 3, which is a chat app for online gaming, an online forum, a support ticket system, and an online store. The Enjin team is now issuing a new cryptocurrency called the Enjin Coin, or ENJ for short. These ERC20 tokens give game developers, content creators, and gaming communities the currency and tools for implementing and managing virtual goods. With these tokens, Enjin plans to develop open-source SDKs, wallets, game plugins, virtual item management apps, and a payment gateway platform. In conjunction with the new Enjin Coin, the Enjin team also plans to roll out the Enjin Wallet, which essentially processes in-game purchases and trades. This is the user interface for their wallet with custom in-game items and currencies. And here's a summary of their technical development roadmap for Enjin Coin. According to the white paper, the Enjin platform will have full support for ENJ tokens within the next 6 months. Enjin will be issuing ENJ tokens starting on October 3rd in a public crowd sale, and the tokens will be distributed once the crowd sale has ended. The hard cap is set at 50,000 Ether at a conversion of 1 Ether for 6,000 tokens in the first week. This bonus structure will drop off to 1 Ether for 3,000 tokens in the 4th week. The total token supply is 1 billion ENJ tokens. So assuming the hard cap is reached in week 1 and accounting for the pre-sale contribution of $12 million, the maximum market cap on a fully diluted basis is $31 million. This chart shows how the tokens will be allocated. 10% of the tokens will be going to the team and advisors, with a lockup period of 6 months for the team and a lockup period of 2 months for the advisors. And this chart shows how the funds from the crowd sale will be used. For the most up-to-date information, please visit their official website. Enjin Coin aims to be a common currency between multiple games that implemented, providing portability and transferability of virtual goods and digital assets. ENJ tokens can potentially be used for various things, such as linking community rewards with in-game goods on servers or games, ability to create a new token to represent virtual currencies, game items, or privileges, ability to set up a virtual goods store, ability to trade gaming items from different games for liquidity, and the ability to take that token across any community or game and retain value. As ENJ tokens can be used for various activities on the Enjin platform, with more usage and more integration with the platform, the more valuable these tokens should theoretically be. Enjin has a core team of 8 people, with the majority of the team having worked at Enjin for several years already. The CEO and co-founder has 15 years of expertise in creative direction, project management, and user experience design. The CTO has overseen the technical engineering of Enjin for nearly a decade. Some of their partners include Bancor, PrimeTech, Venbex Group, and the Integrated Engineering Blockchain Consortium. So on to the opportunities. The gaming industry is large and growing very rapidly. According to their white paper, the global gaming market could reach $128.5 billion by 2020, with over 50% coming from mobile games. If Enjin can achieve its vision, the value of their ecosystem could potentially be higher than its $25 million initial market cap, or $31 million on a fully diluted basis. and some other opportunities. The team behind Enjin grew the website from almost zero traffic in mid-2011 to over 52 million global visits per month, so this speaks to the ability of the team and the popularity of their platform. According to Alexa, Enjin.com is ranked 7,132 globally in terms of website traffic. The ENJ tokens will be introduced to Enjin communities pretty quickly, which is not something that other ICO tokens can do at the moment. The tokens will likely gain traction in the near future. And finally, the Enjin platform is quite established already with a lot of registered users. The white paper also has good stats and commentary on the gaming industry, so the team seems to know what they are talking about. And here are some of our concerns. The pre-sale investors received a much more favorable conversion rate, and they received a bonus ranging from 5 to 50%, depending on the amount that they contributed. This means that their cost basis could be as low as 40% of the price to be paid by the public crowd sale participants. This could create selling pressure once the tokens are tradable, as pre-sale participants may be willing to sell at much lower prices than the public crowd sale participants. This table summarizes the differences in token allocation and conversion rates. Although the website and white paper says 400 million tokens are allocated to the pre-sale and another 400 million tokens to the public crowd sale, in reality the pre-sale participants will have 500 million tokens as they were given a bonus of 100 million tokens. And here are some of our other concerns. Generally speaking, if a project is willing to give out a lot of bonuses or discounts, it could indicate lower quality of the project or token sale, unless those participants can genuinely add strategic value to the project. We feel that giving a 50% bonus for anyone contributing over $2 million may be unfair to public crowd sale participants. During the pre-sale, a group of participants worked out a deal with Enjin and created a group-wide Ethereum smart contract that was reviewed by Enjin's CTO. However, the contract was found to have a critical flaw, and the kill switch for the contract had to be activated. This may cause some to question the team's technical competency in relation to blockchain developments. And finally, we are not sure if in-game trades can really be made in a trustless fashion on the Enjin platform. The escrow feature seems like it would require a redesign of various games to integrate with ENJ tokens and the escrow account. For example, if a trade involves someone paying ENJ tokens in exchange for an in-game weapon, where would the virtual weapon be sent to? There is no escrow account for in-game items to be sent to unless the game redesigns and specifically creates one. There needs to be some mechanism to verify the correct in-game item and the correct amount of ENJ tokens are being exchanged before the trade is executed. Overall, the concept for the project is quite interesting, and if they are successful, they stand to benefit from adoption of their tokens by the large existing community of 19 million registered users. They could also provide the solution for some of the issues surrounding the purchase of virtual goods, such as payment fraud, high fees, and slow transactions. From an investment perspective, though, we currently have a negative view on flipping. Our main concern is that pre-sale participants may be willing to sell their tokens at a much lower price than public crowd sale participants, since they received a 115% bonus on average. In addition, the pre-sale participants were allocated more tokens than those in the public crowd sale, so the potential selling pressure from the pre-sale participants will be substantial. For long-term holding, we have a neutral view. While the potential is there, we believe there may be some technical difficulties in integrating the tokens into different games to facilitate trustless in-game trades. As the tokens can only be used on the Enjin platform, this may restrict the use of ENJ tokens until they overcome these barriers. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please check out our website at crushcrypto.com for a full report on Enjin Coin. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates on the crypto space and upcoming ICOs. See you next time, and I hope you'll keep on crushing your crypto game.